Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gula Bazar, Gorakhpur. So my dear students, today I am here with an explanation of chapter number 1st, types of plants from your science book. Now let's begin. So students, when we look in our surrounding, we find different types of plants. So, in this chapter, you will learn about types of plants, parts of a plant, and green plants make their own food. There are many types of plants around us. Plants are of different shapes and sizes. So, students, in our surrounding, we find many types of plants around us and they are of different shapes and sizes. Some plants are big and tall and some plants are small and have woody stem. While some plants have soft stems and some plants also have weak stems and they need the support of other plants or wall, and some plants also grow along the ground. So students, in this chapter we are going to know about the types of plants. Now look at the picture given below. Circle the biggest and strongest plant. Also, color the plant that needs support to stand straight in green. So students, here you have to circle the biggest and strongest plant. So students, look here. The tree is the biggest and strongest plant. So you have to circle the tree, and then you have to find the plant that needs support to stand straight. So students, look here. This is a picture of money plant, and money plant need support to stand straight. So you have to color this money plant in green. Now let's discuss about types of plants. Based on the size and the type of stem, plants are of different types. First, trees. Some plants are big and tall. They have strong and woody stems called trunks. Such plants are called trees. For example, banyan, neem, and mango trees. So students, plants are based on different size and type of stem. So students, look here. In first picture, this is the picture of neem tree. So students, the plant that have strong and woody stems that are called trunks. Look here in the picture of neem tree. Trunk is shown here. So students, such plants are called trees. So what are trees? Plants with strong and woody stem, and they are big and tall. Example of trees are banyan, neem, and mango trees. Now let's come to the next type of plant, that is shrubs. So students, some plants are small, they have woody stems. Such plants are called shrubs. Examples are rose, tulsi, and hibiscus plants. So students, some plants are small and have woody stems. They are called shrubs. And example for shrubs are rose, tulsi and hibiscus plant. Now let's come to the next type of a plant, that is herbs. Some plants have soft stems, such plants are called herbs. Examples are mint and coriander plants and water plants such as the lotus. So students, what are herbs? Plants have soft stems are called herbs, and example for herbs are mint and coriander and water plant such as the lotus. So students, here some pictures of herbs are some picture of shrubs, herbs is given. Look, the picture of shrub. Next, herb, that is mint. Now let's come to the next type of plant, climbers. Some plants have weak stems and they need the support of other plants, walls or sticks to grow upright. Such plants are called climbers. Examples are the money plant and grapevine. So students, water climbers. Some plants have weak stems and they need support of other plants, walls or sticks to grow upright are called climbers. And the example of climbers are money plant and grapevine. The next or last type of a plant, that is creepers. Some plants have weak stems and grow along the ground. They are called creepers. So students, plants that have weak stems and grow along the ground are called creepers. And example of the creepers are watermelon and strawberry. So students, look at the picture. The picture of strawberry. Strawberry is a creeper. And in next picture, grapevine. Grapevine is a climber because it need support to climb up or grow upright. And in the last picture, watermelon. Watermelon is a creeper because watermelon grow along the ground and have very weak stem. So the plant of watermelon can't hold the fruit of watermelon because they are very weak. Now students, let's talk about the different types of plants growing around your home or school. So students, you have to discuss this topic with your parents or your brother and sister. Now students, fact file. Many people worship some trees such as banyan and peepal. So students, many peoples worship some trees such as banyan and peepal because both trees are holy trees for Hindus. So they commonly worship banyan and People tree. So my dear students, the explanation of types of plants is completed, and the explanation of our next topic, parts of a plant, you will get in our next video. Now students, you have to learn about all the 5 types of plants, that are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. So students, I hope you understood about types of plant very clearly by the help of this video. Now your turn to grasp it and study it. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at your home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.